Today we are going to make these little howlers. They're inspired by Harry Potter. So we have a few origami steps and then just a few little detailing steps as well. So I have this handout of kind of the step-by-step in case you get lost along the way. You can always look back to this, but I'm going to be going over it very slowly and very clearly so you guys can all understand it. But follow along. I will pause this video in class and you guys can catch up. So the very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to fold your paper in half. Hot dog way. Keep in mind that this is cardstock, so you want to just fold it once the correct way, else it will kind of have a bunch of little folds on it, and the integrity of the paper won't have really nice craftsmanship. Okay, after you have done this step, what you are now going to do is you are going to fold down one of the corners. So you're going to match this corner right here, and your paper is going to match up with that center line that we just folded. So you want this point to end up with this line, and this is going to go upwards like this and match with the corner as well. Okay, after you have this part matched up with the line, you are then going to match this corner with this side or the line as well. So it should look just like this. They should come together at a point in the very center, just like this. After you have your both of your points going down to the center, we're going to try to fold a line so it's extending out this way. So you're going to fold along this line right here. You're just going to fold this down. You kind of want to look at the picture how it matches up. So you're just going to match it up with this side here and fold down that edge. So it should look just like this, just like our picture right here. Okay, then you're going to repeat this step to the other side, and you're going to follow this line clear down here. So you're going to fold it over, match it up with the side here. And we're kind of just creating this X. So when you unfold it, you kind of have a good X along these lines. This next step, you are going to fold your X in the middle. So I like to do a ruler for this step. It is not 100% necessary, but I think it makes a nice crisp line. So you're just going to line up and fold down right here in the middle. So that when you open it up, you have your X, and then you have a line through it, just like here on the picture. Okay, after you have that step, then you are going to fold these in a little bit, like this, and like this. So it should be folded just like this. So your X is going to just be folding in this line here and here to create it like this. So now I have just unfolded it right here, and you are going to fold it in half again using that original line that we used. Okay, this part gets a little bit tricky. So you're going to hold your paper like this, and then you're going to about 1 centimeter from this line, you're going to fold it. Okay, so I'm going to put it just like the picture so it's a little bit easier to see. And you're just going to fold it like this. after this line, you are then going to take this tab and you're just going to fold it like that. And then you should be done with all of your folds. So let's see what we got here. So this is what your howler is going to end up like. You are going to then glue this piece down right here. Just a little glue, don't overdo your glue. And this creates a little pocket. Just hold it until it dries. Then if you look at the rest of your howler, this is going to fold over. Oh, still got to hold this to dry a few minutes longer. This is going to fold over and it's going to look something like this. Okay, so your front area should look like this. You should have this little tab. You want to slightly curve out this edge right here so it goes like this. Okay, and then your back of your howler should look just like this. So it has that crunch here, and then this folds inwards, and you have kind of this little rooftop. So that is what the back should look like, and this is what the front should look like. So once you are to this step, we are then going to work on all the cute little details. So you grab one of these papers, and on the back side of your reference, it shows you exactly what to do and how to do this step as well. So we are going to glue this onto a piece of cardstock so it's a little bit durable for your howler. Okay, now that we have this, I've gone back in and I just slightly bent this backwards a little bit. You don't want to do a full fold, but you want to be able to have that nice curve to it. And then we are going to work on the tongue. So with the tongue, what I want you to do is I'm going to have an X-Acto knife, and I want you to come check this part off with me first. Get this part all done, and then I will come get a X-Acto knife and I will make a little slit in this for you so you can put your tongue in that slit. So you're going to take some scratch piece of red paper and you're just going to cut out a tongue. So I could probably do 2 tongues with this amount of paper I have. So you're just going to slightly curve it when you cut it. On both sides. And then you're going to have a side that has a little triangle at the end, so it looks like it is a hissing little snake. So there's your tongue for you. What you're going to do is you're going to use that cut and put, I need to make it a little bit bigger. So you're going to take this and you're going to feed it through however length that you would like it, and then you're going to glue this down on the back. Remember, you do not need a lot of glue. And you're just going to glue it down. And then you should have a hissing howler. Now for the last step is to glue it into this original piece. So you're going to come down here and you're going to glue the teeth right in here. You want to do it so that your teeth are visibly showing, and then you're going to glue this part up here, and you're going to have a fold in the back so that it looks like a scroll coming out. And you're going to do some glue up here in the corners, here and here, to glue it down this way, and then some glue down in here and here. So let me show you. Alright, so I'm just gluing this in, and then I'm just going to take, so I've just done a drop here, and then I'm just going to take a drop up here and here and kind of glue this down a little bit and glue the teeth up a little bit so that this is more like a little roof. just in the corners, because you still want to be able to see the teeth. Alright, so you want to make sure that you have it like it's a scroll. Your back should still be folded this way, so it is a nice 3D howler.